Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic exercise 1.2 C.B.Q-1. This is lesson number 10 and SW number 7. Okay, dear the students, let us start our today's class. Here the question is 3, 0, 5, 2, 7 are some digits. A number question is what is prime number? In our previous class we have discussed about prime number. Now we will write only the definition of prime number. The number which has only two factor or two divisor, 1 and itself, is called prime number. Prime number. The number which has only two divisor. The number which has only two divisor is called prime number. This is the definition of prime number. Here we are considering a number 3. It has only two divisor, 1 and 3. If we divide 3 by 1, then remainder will be 0. If we divide 3 by 3, then remainder will be 0. Without 1 and 3, there is no any other number by which we divide 3, then remainder will be 0. So 3 is a prime number. If we consider 4, it has 3 divisor, 1, 2 and 4. So 1 is not a prime number. Okay, dear students, now we'll solve B number question. Here question is determine whether the greatest number of 5 digits formed by the digits from the stem is divisible by 4 and 5. Here in the stem 5 digits given. We have to form the greatest number using the digits, and then we have to check the greatest number is divisible by 4 and 5 or not. Here given digits are 3, 0, 5, 2 and 7. Now we'll write the greatest number. Therefore, the greatest number of 5 digits formed by the above digits. Is at the time of forming greatest number, we have to put greatest digit in greatest place. Among the digits, 7 is the greatest digit. So at first in greatest place we have to put 7. Now second greatest digit is 5, so we will write 5 now. Then 3, then 2 and then 0. That means greatest number is 75,320. Now we will check is the number is divisible by 4 and 5. We know that if the numbers formed by ones place and tens place digit is divisible by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4 also. Here the numbers formed by 1 digits and tens place digit is 20. We know that 20 is divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. So this number will be divisible by 4. Now we'll write it. Here the number formed by tens place digit and ones place digit is 20, which is divisible by 4, is divisible by 4. Therefore, the greatest number will be divisible by 4. The greatest number is divisible by 4. Now we'll check the greatest number is divisible by 5. We know that if ones place digit of any number is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. Here ones place digit is 0, so the number will be divisible by 5. Again, ones place digit of greatest number of the greatest number is 0. Therefore, the greatest number is divisible by 5. Is divisible okay, dear the students, we have solved B number. Now we'll solve C number. Here question of C number is justify what is the least number is to be added to the greatest number obtained from B is divisible by 3. At first we will write the greatest number. In B we have found it. So from B we get greatest number is greatest number is 7 5 3 2 0. Now the question is, what is the least number is to be added to the greatest number obtained from B is divisible by 3. At first we will check, is it divisible by 3? We know that if the sum of the digit of any number is divisible by 3, then the number also will be divisible by 3. here sum of the digits of the greatest number is 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0. This is equal to 0 plus 2 equal to 2, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, and 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. We know that 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. Since 17 is not divisible by 3, so greatest number also is not divisible by 3, which is not divisible by 3. So the greatest number so the greatest number is not divisible now. Now next number of 17 which is divisible by 17 is 18. Now the number next to 17 which is divisible, the number next to 17 which is divisible by 3 is 18. Therefore the least number is to be added with greatest number. To make it divisible by 3. To make it divisible by by 3. To make it divisible by 3 is, if we subtract 17 from 18, then we can get it. 18 minus 17 is equal to 1. So answer will be 1. If we add 1 with greatest number, then the sum of the digit of the number will be 18, and 18 is divisible by 3, so the number also will be divisible by 3. So answer is 1. Dear students, we have finished our today's CW. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW, this is SW number 7. SW number 7, and today's SW is example 1 from exercise 1.2. Again, I will tell example 1 from exercise 1.2, and this is from page number 11. Okay, dear students, I hope you will be able to do your SW properly, and submit on next Saturday. stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.